Here we are at the side of the road in Rhodes, and I have the hiccups. So I tried this last time I had the hiccups, and it seemed to work. So we're going to do a demonstration.
You face the other way.
Face the other way? Oh, okay. All right.
I don't want to be facing you when you have a hiccup on a mouthful of water.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay. What you do is you get someone else to stick their fingers in your ears, and then you drink. You got it really in there, Gary. I think they're gone. Don't do that. Wow. Well, there you go. Get someone to stick their fingers in your ears while you drink water, and your hiccups will go away.
And make sure you give them a tissue afterwards.